Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Headscale Honest Review. So Headscale is an open source self-hosted networking tool designed to do one specific job, act as a coordination server for private mesh network built on WireGuard. Similar to how Tailscale works, now in simple terms, it allows multiple devices, like laptops, phones, servers, to securely discover and connect to each other over the internet. But instead of relying on Tailscale's hosted infrastructure, everything is run on your own server. That means full control over how the network operates, where data flows, and how or who has access. Now, when looking at whether Headscale is worth using, well, the general consensus from technical communities and self-hosting enthusiasts is that it's legitimate and capable solution, but ones that is clearly aimed at specific audience. Now, based on community feedback here and documentation, Headscale works reliably once it sets up. It actually integrates smoothly with official Tailscale clients. Devices can actually connect securely across networks, NATs, and firewalls, just like they would with Tailscale's hosted services. Now, but without depending on third-party control plane. Now, the biggest advantage Headscale offers is ownership and privacy because it's self-hosted. The coordination server runs entirely under your control, whether that's on a VPS or a private network. There are no subscription fees or device limits enforced by a vendor, and no reliance on external infrastructure. Now, for people running home labs, small teams, or privacy-focused setups, now the level of independence is a major reason Headscale gets recommended. Now, that said, Headscale isn't designed to be beginner friendly. Now, unlike managed services where everything works out of the box here, this requires some setting up and maintaining a server, configuring authentication, and handling updates yourself. Now, based on user reports, initial setup is often the hardest part here. You need to be comfortable with basic server administration, networking concepts, and security practices. This learning curve is consistently mentioned as the main downside here, not because the software is unstable, but because it expects the operator to know what they're doing here. Now, another thing that comes up in comparison is the feature depths here. So basically, what we're seeing here, so Headscale covers the core functionality very well. Now, secure device coordination and networking, but some advanced features offered by Tailscale's paid plans either don't exist or require manual configuration. So, for most people or small teams use cases, now this isn't a deal breaker, but it does mean Headscale's favors flexibility and control over convenience. Now, overall, if you're going to put everything together here, well, Headscale is widely regarded as a solid and trustworthy open source project. And it does exactly what it claims to do. It actively is used by real people, and it feels clear niche for those who want a self-hosted alternative to manage mesh VPN services. It's worth using if control, privacy, and avoiding vendor lock-in matter more than ease of setup. So anyone looking for a simple zero maintenance solution or managed service may still feel easier, but for the right setup, Headscale delivers. Now, out of everything we found here, we could assume that this is pretty much legit and worth using for self-hosted networking. Just remember that this is not for beginners. You may need to have an idea on how to configure a network, or at least how to do some basic tinkering here and work your way through the software itself. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.